Woke up slow with the sun in my eyes, waves crashing, thoughts like the tide. Heart's been heavy like it's filled with lead, looking for solace in this tangled bed. Walking through the city, lights are dim. Echoes of memories all growing thin. Street corners whisper secrets in the night, trying to find some peace in neon light. In my feelings I'm lost, but I'm strong, holding on to hope though it feels wrong. In my feelings all day and all night, searching for a spark, a flicker of light. Rain falls down like tears from the sky. I'm drenched in sorrow, can't even lie. Each drop a memory I can't forget, trapped in a storm of endless regret. But I see a glimmer far down the road, a whisper telling me to lighten my load. Heart's been heavy, but I'll trade the pain for a sunny day after the rain. Now I'm dancing in the puddles left behind,